Yo. All right, so I also wanted to document this smart performance campaign. So this is something I created in the live voice chat yesterday, and I wanted to just share the initial performance with it and just do a recap of what I'm doing with this campaign here. So I'm pretty aggressively scaling this. We actually started this at $300 a day, and we're at $600 a day already. Why? Because we are seeing really good performance with it. So you can see here we have, just performance-wise, we already have 6 conversions at $16 CPAs. That's really good for us. So let's talk about it. Let's talk about how this was set up, just in a nutshell. So this is a smart performance campaign. I've made a bunch of videos on these already. You can check out the channel. You can also check out on Ecom Live and just look up smart performance, and you'll see it, or SPC. You'll see a few videos there. So in terms of the setup process, it's pretty much the same how I've done all the ones historically. I'm just targeting US here. I started the budget at $300 a day, and then day parting is off, value for optimization, bid strategy is highest value. And really my strategy here, guys, is taking all of my best content, like all of the best ads that we've ever had, throwing them in here. So I threw like 12 videos in here, right? And then this is using a little trick that I used in Q4, and I know I mentioned to you guys before also, which is display cards. These work really well for improving your click-through rate. It can go through the roof when you use these, just because you can create significant urgency. So what I did is I'm trying to build urgency for the last chance to buy for Mother's Day. And if you see here if I play one of these, you'll see the card pops up here after like a couple seconds, right? So here's the card. So it says last chance for Mother's Day orders. So we're trying to really build that urgency with this card here, and all of our copy is also trying to build some type of urgency. You can see sale ends today, up to 33% off. Mother's Day is almost here. So that's how I have mine set up. Again, 12 videos, 3 different texts, this display card that I created, and then this is just going to the collection page. So nice and simple. I'm gonna keep you guys posted how this goes, but historically we've been able to scale on TikTok the hardest with smart performance campaigns. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you just, I guess, some social proof of that. In December here, you can see November, December, if we go by total cost, descending, 40K we spent between November, December on just this SPC here, with really good results, really good results. So I recommend it, especially during periods where you're trying to aggressively scale. Give SPC a try, especially if you have data and you have some good ads. Yeah, hopefully this is beneficial, and you guys have a good rest of your Thursday. Take care.